ng blinds, bibigyan namin iba-ibang selections ng blinds. Yung iba allergic, pinag-aaralan namin.
Tama, yung mga allergy na ganyan. Hindi makikita sa website yan, yung mga ganyan. If you're allergic, ito ang bagay sa'yo. Hindi, and that is the human touch that you offer, no? And that is one advantage also, I think, of enlisting a professional to do your
And we educate them how to use blinds.
Okay.
Na bakit sirain ito, bakit nasisira agad to, paano ba to i-maintain, tinuturuan namin sila.
Okay, so parang one-stop shop ang NFL. From the start, kung involved kayo in terms of interior design, and up to the pagpili ng fixtures, kasi talagang kung ikaw lang ang gagawa, medyo masakit talaga sa ulo, di ba? Iikot ka ng sangkatutak na pag-iikutan just to find the right piece for you, and one piece makes all the difference. And I've seen that so many times. Yung dahil marami kasi sa atin, ako guilty ako dyan kung minsan yung nakikimura tayo. And in the end, dahil it's either substandard ang materyales or hindi bagay, you end up talaga redoing everything. And if you're going to count the cost, talagang medyo mas malaki pa yung lumabas.
Kami naman, kahit anong materials ang gamitin, pwede na namin kasing mapaganda yun.
Okay.
Kasi pinag-aaralan naman namin.
Okay. It doesn't, may difference ba talaga ang materials and fixtures na mas mahal compared to those na medyo pareho naman yung function pero cheaper or more less costly?
Some clients kasi beforehand they already tell me na naka-budget kami na gusto lang namin yung maganda pero elegant, simple, pero makikita mo na maganda siya. Kaya nga namin, we hired you. Ganun sila. Parang, yung magagastos namin sa mahal, pwede naman namin gastusin in a much lower price, pero yung effect niya, ganun din.
And that is your expertise, of course.
Yes. Pero some clients talaga, na mahilig talaga sila sa mahal. Yun, gumagamit kami. Like, yung ginawa ko sa Richtown, couple sila. Pangarap talaga nila yung magandang house. Dream talaga nila. I designed a house para sa niece nila.
Okay.
Nung nakita nila yung house, sabi nila, kahit naka-budget tayo, magkukuha tayo ng interior designer by hook or by crook. Kukunin natin si Nat. Sabi niya, pwede bang ibaba mo na yung fee mo? Kasi gusto ko talaga i-interior yung bahay. So, in-interior namin siya. Na pinakita ko yung gusto ko, pero in a lower price. Like yung bed, imbis na bilhin namin siya, ako na lang nag-design, pinagawa ko nun sa carpenter. Yun.
Okay.
Hindi naman nakakamura,
no?
pero mas effective siya or mas makukuha yung gusto mo.
And talagang it's custom-made para sa bahay, para sa'yo.
Hindi naman dahil mahal, maganda siya.
Exactly.
Pwede ka namang pagsama-sama mo, pero yung effect niya, ganun din.
Yes. Sabi nga nila, hindi daw nabibili ang taste.
Yes.
So, talagang
taste is expensive.
Taste, or either that or tama, taste is expensive. Just like talent. Okay. So, alright. You know what, one thing that struck me kanina, nung sinabi mo na, you know, you have a fixed rate for 5 hours at pwede mong ayusin ang clutter sa bahay. So, even that, talagang nagagawa din niyo that kind of service.
Some clients kasi, paano yan? Nandiyan na yung bahay ko. Ayoko nang magpabagbag. Ayoko nang magpagawa nito. Ang gagawin na lang namin, i-fix na lang namin yung house niya. Like, itong furniture nito, dapat dito. Siguro, kailangan nating mag-add ng frame, mga ganun. Or ayaw na nila yung stressful na, syempre, per square meter pa, pwede naman yung day lang. Minsan kasi may architects na sila, may engineer na sila. Pero an architect and engineer, syempre different sila sa interior. Meron kaming flair. Yun yung lacking sa mga architects. Yung sila kasi box. Kami maglalagay ng mga abubot doon.
Okay. I guess the discipline is different, no? Iba yung discipline sa engineering, iba yung discipline sa architecture, and iba rin ng discipline sa interior design.
Which is very evident nowadays. Dinidesign, marami akong friends na architects. Marami ako talagang friends. Pero pagdating dun sa beauty, yung sa aesthetic, yung sa abubot, hindi na nila alam paglagay-lagayin. Simply because, kami talaga yung nakatoka doon.
Yes. That is your expertise.
Yes.
Yun talaga yung point of focus ninyo, no? So, yung mga artistic, you're right, no? That's the term to use, I guess, artistic flair and
aesthetic value.
Aesthetics, yes, exactly. Because Pero you know what? It's not just aesthetics, kasi also functional yung mga gamit ngayon. Lalo na in this day and age, like, saan mo isasaksak yung appliances mo na kailangan mo, like yung microwave, yung ref, you need to have space for that. Or, di ba, yung mga ilaw na kailangan ganito ka-bright para functional, pero gusto ko rin ng mood light na magbibigay ng ambiance. Yung mga ganyan, di ba? Yan ang hindi kasama sa engineering siguro. And so, it's a totally different discipline that interior designers are really focused on. Okay, so, wow, this is getting interesting by the minute. Pero magbabalik po tayo sa Nego Talk kung po kayong aalis dahil marami pa po tayong pag-uusapan. Alright, babalik po tayo sa Nego Talk and kasama pa rin po natin si Miss Nat Liwanag Ramos of NFL Home Designs. Ayan. And under their wing are, of course, interior design services and products na rin like light fixtures and curtains and blinds. So, all in one. So, one-stop shop kayo, nasabi nga natin kanina, Nat, no? Yes.
But we will be opening our shop mga September pa lang this year.
Okay, so abangan po natin. Where is your shop going to be located?
Okay. It's going to be at Don Juan Building, General Hizon Avenue, San Fernando.
Alright. So, yun ang magiging parang showroom ninyo. Yes. Ganyan. Okay.
We're going to take interior design very seriously.
Okay. And we are looking forward to that because a lot of us also, no, ng mga homeowners, ng mga business owners, also look for that service na nagkataon, ngayon lang talaga medyo naging phenomenon dito sa Central Luzon, di ba? For the longest time, talagang kanya-kanyang design, kung ano lang ang nakikita sa hardware, kung ano lang yung nakikita natin sa internet, or yung personal taste natin or personal style, yun lang yung ini-infuse natin. But, yun nga, in hiring